How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm gonna work on the Subaru. I'm going to change the reverse lights, but first I wanted to show you the ones that I have on the Accord. If you can see the LEDs, it's not really dark, but you can see the LEDs, and at night these ones looks amazing. So now you see the reverse lights on my Accord, which they look really good. But the only problem is this tail light inside, it looks really bad. So I'm about to do some changes in those. I'm just waiting for some stuff, but this one looks better than the other one. You can see it looks a lot brighter, so I'm gonna fix that. You can see right there inside it looks kind of black. All the chrome paint is coming off because this is 18-year-old tail light. So I'm gonna fix that in another episode, but you can see how bright those LEDs look for the reverse. Now let's check the ones on the Subi. Those are the stock lights. Yellow, yellow, yellow. You can see they look really bad. So we're about to change that. So guys, this is the new light that we have for the Subi. This is for the reverse light. I'm gonna do the installation, which is really easy. I already showed you in another video how to replace the tail light, and everything is really easy on the back for the hazards, the brake light, and reverse light. So I'm going to change this right now, and you're gonna see the difference. You see that? I know at night it's gonna look a lot better, but that's the reverse light with the new LED, and that's the original yellow one. Wow, a lot different, a lot better. So there you have it. This is the old one, this is the new one, and they look amazing. So I'm gonna replace the other one, and I'm gonna wait until it gets a little bit dark to show you how they look at night. The other one is installed. You can tell the difference, how amazing they look. Wow, day and night, amazing. I really like them. As it's getting dark, I just wanted to show you the old ones right here. This is the old bulbs. Now here we have another two. These are the new ones, which are really good. This is eBay. I get them on eBay for this vehicle. Really cheap. Pay like $8 for 4. So I have extra just in case. If you're planning to put the stock ones, don't put them with your hands. Wear gloves, plastic gloves. Once you touch these bulbs, they're not gonna be good if you touch them with your bare hand. So it's a little bit darker now. I'm gonna put the car on reverse so you can see the lights. Yep. You can see there it's a little bit darker now, so you can see the true light of the LEDs. You guys know how crazy I am for LEDs. So this car is already complete. It's complete with all the LEDs, and I'm gonna show you a little bit. I'm gonna do a walk around to show you everything that I have on the vehicle. So you already saw the LEDs for the reverse. Those are stock. Those are LEDs for the license plate. LED for the trunk. We have LEDs inside. on the back too. This one don't have on the doors like my Accord, but you guys already know about my lights. This is a switchbacks for the turn signals, LEDs on the bottom, HIDs, and the high beam is yellow 3000K. So I think with the reverse lights, this car is pretty much complete. So guys, there you have it. Really easy, really fun to do, because now the car is complete. It looks really good. So there you have it, guys. This is really easy to do. Take me like 2 minutes just to replace those 2 bolts, but if you can see, everything is complete with all the lights. So if you have any questions, guys, please let me know. Thanks for watching this one. Everything is complete on the car, on the LEDs, on the Accord, you name it, I have it. That one is complete too. And if you have any questions, guys, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.